Israel is going the war is the war of devil, vampire versus the civilization versus humanity. They are captured by Israeli power. This is the high time. Please come forward, all the leaders of the world. This is the high time.
A crucial student leader of this today's presentation. I would like to know what kinds of message do you want to disseminate to the international community of this event?
Yes, in this present time, Bangladesh is organizing the greatest protest against the barbaric Israel. We want to send the message to the Israel and to the world that the Muslim of Bangladesh and not only Muslim of Bangladesh, indiscriminately people of all caste, all religion, all society who promote the humanity, who possess the civilization is protesting this barbaric bombing of Israel. We want to say Israel is not a state because this war is not the war state versus state because Israel is not a state. We want to say this war is the war of only a religion because Israel is not moving this war on the angle of only religion.
Do you believe this today's procession and this demonstration will come to work to rise up the voice of the international community?
Of course. We think Israel is going the war is the war of devil, vampire versus the civilization versus humanity. Right now, international community is present in Bangladesh for the International Investment Summit. We also convey this message to them that people of Bangladesh are very much in order and in chain. They want to send the message that they possess in their heart, the harmony and brotherhood to the people of the Palestine, and they are condemned to the barbaric bombing of Israel.
As of late, very often we hear the twisted solution. What's your response in this regard?
Yes, all the country of the world, United Nations and international community should recognize the Palestine as an independent nation and state, and they should not recognize Israel as a state because they are a occupier force.
Finally, we'd like to finish today's interview. Obviously, we'd like to ask you that how was the today's demonstration and these activities?
Actually, you see today's this procession is the greatest procession from Bangladesh in the present time, and we want to convey this message for the world and for the Israel, especially if they think they will continue, they will sustain in this world as this dominant power, as they think, as this occupied power, as they think, as this vampire, as this devil, they cannot survive in this world. Because in the previous history, you know, there was a community named Ad, there was a community named Samud, like that. We believe the natural punishment will fall in Israel and they will vanish from this world.
Thanks for joining in Kalikanto.
Yes, right now the whole world contains 800 crore human beings. 800 crore human beings. I ask all the human beings, if you are a human, if you introduce yourself as a human, can you tolerate this type of bombing on other human? This war is not war of state versus state, not merely the war of religion. This war of Israel's war, vampire devil war against us.
As you were talking, so what is the role of the Muslim leaders? What's your response?
I think as the Israel maintain their influence across the world, all over the world, including the Muslim world, policy, their diplomatic policy, their technological policy. The Muslim world, so many of the leaders of the Muslim world, they are captured by Israeli power. This is the high time. Please calm the world. All the leaders of the world, this is the high time. Please calm the world. Stand by your brothers. Stand by your brotherhood of Muslim. Otherwise, you are not a Muslim. You are a penguin Muslim. You are not a Muslim. You are not the Ummah of the Muhammad Rasulullah. You are not the creator of Allah. You are the servant of Donald Trump. You are the servant of Benjamin Netanyahu.